Inner Journeys, Part 2. Question: could reality exist without an observer? Answer: if reality is objective, it could exist independently of an observer. But if it results from consciousness, its existence may be closely tied to the process of perception. I wonder what purpose anything could have if it didn't have at least one goal. I assume everything must have a cause and a purpose, even if we can't always perceive it. Question: what qualities would a being capable of creating reality need to possess? Answer: it would have to possess the ability to create beyond the limits of time and space, as well as infinite awareness and intelligence. Such a being would also need to understand and control the principles of existence on a level that goes beyond our current understanding of the universe. Question: are the laws of physics absolute, or are they a result of our universe's parameters? Answer: the laws of physics might be local rules of our universe, but in other realities they could look entirely different. I assume that different operational principles of local worlds must have different laws of physics, even just to introduce diversity in the possible outcomes of existence. This variability allows for the formation of different realities and systems, which may be unlike ours but equally functional in their own context.